Hi guys, this is Khushi from Shine and Slay. So today in this video I'm going to share few Ayurvedic remedies for acne, pimples, acne scars, blemishes and open pores. So here I'm taking fresh neem leaves. So it's about 15 to 20 neem leaves, and then I'll add few fresh holy basil means tulsi leaves. These two leaves are queens of herbs in Ayurveda and have immense beauty and health benefits. Now wash the leaves thoroughly and grind it into a paste. You can use grinder also to make a paste, and you can use neem powder and tulsi powder also to make a paste. For this you can wash and dry tulsi and neem leaves and grind it into a powder, and then you can store in airtight container. And if you don't have these leaves, then you can buy any organic natural neem and tulsi powder. Now add half teaspoon turmeric into this paste. These two leaves are powerful herbs that work wonders in removing toxins from the skin and promoting blood circulation. Tulsi and neem have antibacterial and antioxidant properties which can keep several skin infections away like acne, pimples, eczema and sunburn. They also help clearing clogged pores and control excess oil that cause acne and pimples. Adding turmeric enhances its properties and helps in fighting pimples and other skin infections. Use this face pack twice a week for effective results. Keep this mask on for around 20 minutes and wash it off with cold water and then moisturize your face. So in second face pack, I am taking 1 tablespoon neem tulsi paste, 1 tablespoon gram flour, 1 teaspoon honey and 1 teaspoon curd. Gram flour helps removing scars, tanning and even out skin tone. Honey hydrates the skin and tightens your skin pores, and curd nourishes your skin and keep it healthy. Apply this face pack twice a week for effective results. For face toner, take 18 to 20 washed neem leaves and 8 to 10 tulsi leaves. Now take a pan and add 2 cups of mineral water in it and let it boil. Now add washed leaves and let it boil on medium flame. Water will turn out green like this after 8 to 10 minutes. Now turn off the flame and separate the water in clean bowl. Now let it cool for half hour. Once it cools down, add half teaspoon rose water into this. Our face toner is ready now. You can store it in a spray bottle or any airtight container. This toner will help minimizing open pores and removing excess oil. It will also help clearing scars and pigmentation and will soothe your skin. To apply this, wash your face first and then take a small piece of cotton, spray few drops of toner and apply on face and neck area. Apply this toner every day during day and night and apply a good moisturizer after this. Apart from these remedies, opt for some healthy habits to avoid acne and other skin infections like drink lots of water, have enough sleep, avoid stress and use a good sunscreen while going out in sun. So try these remedies at home and share your feedback if you like its result. Thank you for watching guys.